Hello everyone, it's Sarah here again, and I'm bringing to you the finished yarn that I spun up from the fiber that I called a Sparkle Storm, the one where if you've seen that video, I dumped a bunch of sparkling Angelina fiber onto this whole fiber bat. It was also the one where I tried to diz it and it just was not working. But so this yarn, this fiber actually became a 3-ply, basically a 3-ply bulky weight yarn, and you can see the absolute massive amount of sparkle in here. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with it yet. Half the time I don't even know what I do with these yarns. I just want to make them and add sparkle to everything because I love sparkle. So I scanned this one up and I measured it, and if I remember right, it came up to about 25 yards of bulky weight yarn. And right now I'm in the process of spinning up the Rollags on my wheel at the moment. But this one I just had a blast with, and it went pretty quickly. So yeah. So you can see all the different colors of Angelina in here where I tried to make it into a crazy rainbow. And you can kind of see where I have some of the dark gunmetal-esque shiny Angelina there. And I love it. It's like a crazy New Year's Eve party going up in this game. So yeah, this was super fun to spin. And this will make, you definitely can't really make too much of anything with this. This is going to be some sort of added accessory to like art yarn to some other finished project. I'm thinking maybe making, say, a scarf or something in just one plain color type of wool, and then just bam! Just add this yarn in with it, and it just like it's what do you call that? It's a statement piece. It's a statement piece. This yarn would definitely be a statement piece in some knitting or craft project of yours. So that's basically how you might use something like this. It would definitely be a statement piece. So yeah, this yarn definitely looks like it wants to shed a bunch, but I always, whenever I take it off the wheel, I basically knot the ends so that the ply or the twist kind of stays there, and it's just nice that way. So thank you all if you've been subscribing and liking the channel and all the videos. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed or you don't see my videos, try hitting subscribe and also click that notification bell in the corner next to the subscribe button, and you'll get notified with push notifications to your phone whenever I upload a video. And I don't upload one more than, say, once a day, so you wouldn't get too many crazy notifications. I know that a lot of us get notified for practically everything. So I want to bring you quality content and just the stuff that I've been making and everything, and I cannot wait to make something with this. I'll probably weave it into something. I actually have a weaving loom. That's actually why I was winding those balls of yarn, the Red Heart Bright Stripes yarn, is because I actually finished a scarf, and it's definitely imperfect, but it looks awesome, and it's neon, and I love it. But yeah, I actually have an Ashford 24-inch rigid heddle loom, which I do plan to film a project of mine sometime with the finished results of something. So thank you all for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider it and do so already. I endeavor to bring you all quality content of fiber arts with a lot of sparkle. So have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.